dream will suddenly came to an end. And at the same time, this ending will lead to a new beginning. We are all here to celebrate a huge success in our lives. We are about to end our college life. And as we look back to the past, a lot of things just change. We build a strong connection with our friends, classmates, faculties. We gain knowledge, we gain experiences, and above all of them, we learned. It is with distinct honor for me to be standing here in front of you, to express my feelings, to express my experiences in the past 2 years of this institution. We've been through ups and downs. We laughed, we cried, but we grew. We've had countless hours of studies, surprise quizzes and oral recitations, prelim, midterm, and final examinations. And how can I forget the requirement for every one of us to graduate, thesis and feasibility. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo minsan makatulog sa gabi kasi mock defense bukas. Ito yung mga nagpupuyat tayo para ma-prepare natin yung documentations. Pero tingnan nyo, nandito tayo ngayon. Nagsa-celebrate tayo kasi nakatapos na tayo dun eh. So, I truly believe that every dream may obstacle tayong kailangan pagdaanan. And proud ako sa inyo kasi nalagpasan natin yun eh. So, sana kahit anong rejection o failure man yung matanggap natin, huwag tayong sumuko. Never let anyone or anything stop us. Lahat tayo nagkakamali, lahat tayo nadadapa. Pero hindi na end of the world nun. Pwede tayong bumangon. Stars in life might let us fall, but we should learn to get up. So, dream big, believe in yourself, and of course, trust God. He has a plan for every one of us. As we step out of this door, we are to face the real world. Wala nang teacher na mag-guide sa atin, wala nang magsasabi ng tamang sagot sa mga interview na kakaharapin natin sa labas. So, my dear friends, classmates, and fellow graduates, may your dream bring smile to your face. Open your... sorry, kinakabahan kasi ko eh. Open your windows of opportunities and take you to the place where you think you belong. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung success, hindi din yun yung ending ng buhay natin. Nagsisimula ulit tayo eh, back to zero. Pero may natutunan tayo dito sa college na to. So, sana wag natin kalimutan yung mga natutunan natin, i-apply natin siya sa kinabukasan natin. After a few years more, titingin tayo sa salamin. Makikita natin yung sarili natin. Iba na siya. Siya na yung tao sa pangarap natin. This someone, it shouldn't be just a fiction. Dreams are not made to be just fantasy. dreams are made to become true. And this success is not mine all alone. May I have to take the opportunity to acknowledge and gratify those who I owe a lot, and to those whom I am very grateful. First of all, to Almighty God, who has never gone, showing us showering us with His everlasting love, strength, and wisdom. To my instructors who have been so patient, teaching us kahit na napaka-iingay namin, hindi sila sumuko, pinapatigil na nila kami, pero andun pa rin sila, andun pa rin yung pagmamahal para matuto kami. Ma'am, sir, without you, we can't be here. I can't be here. To my friends and classmates, ang hirap magpaalam sa inyo kasi ang dami din natin pinagdaanan eh. Namimiss ko kayong lahat. Sana may all your dreams come true. To my family, I'm blessed to have you. Thank you, Isabella, for your unconditional love and support. Isa kayo sa reason kung bakit ko tinanggap yung speech niyo ko. Kasi gusto ko maging proud kayo sa akin. Isa kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko para makatapos ako ng pag-aaral. And class of 2013, kayo umiiyak. You should be proud of yourselves. Kasi, after nung pinaghirapan natin, eto na tayo, graduate na, maghahanap na tayo ng trabaho. So, as we say our last goodbyes, may we never ever forget those countless experiences and knowledge that we had in AIE. Job well done, friends. Proud ako sa inyong lahat. And hanggang sa muli, congratulations. Long live AIE, long live class of 2013.
Sana naman,